Good afternoon, Gulf Coast. My name is Clay Smith, and thank you for tuning in with us here at Atmos Center today. For a first look at our headlines, the first two may seem a little obvious, especially if you've been outside today, as it's already very warm with temperatures in the upper 70s, and we have plenty of sunshine out there, but we will have some severe weather moving into our area Saturday night into Sunday morning, so stay tuned for more information on that. But right now, the Fairhope Pier Gam, it is absolutely gorgeous out there. Look at that big, beautiful blue sky. Temperatures already up to 77, so if you're planning on heading down to the beach, it's definitely a gorgeous day to do so, as we'll have temperatures around 82 down towards Gulf Shores and Orange Beach. We do have a moderate rip current index, which means there is a chance that you could get pulled out to sea if you get too far into the water, so just be careful if you're going out there today. There's a very high UV index as well, so definitely pack some sunscreen. Water temperatures are very nice though, so if you're planning on getting out to the beaches today, just be careful and try to have a good time. For our satellite and radar, really not much going on across the entire southeast. We do see that system that moved through our area the last couple of days well off into the Atlantic. But for the rest of today, it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And moving our future view into tonight, really not much going on, not much change from earlier today. But as we put this into motion, by the time we hit Thursday afternoon, clouds start to build back in from the west. Really not much rain associated with this, but as we hit Friday morning, rain starts to show back up into northern Georgia and the upstate of South Carolina, but towards the Gulf Coast we should remain dry through Friday. But putting this into motion a little further, Saturday morning rain starts to show up across portions of Mississippi into northern Louisiana and eastern Texas. This is when we could start seeing that severe weather move into the area, especially into Louisiana and Mississippi. And as we advance throughout the day Saturday, we'll see that starting to push towards our communities here in Mobile, Pensacola, and into Sunday morning. So definitely just stay alert and stay tuned, as we'll have more information over the next couple of days. But for today, it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. Temperature of 86, sunny and very warm. For the rest of the area, also going to be extremely warm, especially into portions of southern and central Louisiana. Mississippi, Lucedale is going to hit 90 degrees, which is very warm for this time of year. Be 88 in Jackson, 82 in Atmore, and 81 in Daphne. And for tonight, we're going to cool down a couple of degrees. It's going to be 64, still a pretty mild night. It's going to be clear. We may see some patchy fog late, but it should stay towards the coastal communities. And for tomorrow morning around 7, when you're waking up, it's going to be 60 in Jackson, 63 in Mobile, and 65 in Daphne. Tomorrow, like I mentioned, we may see a little bit of AM patchy fog, but temperatures are going to rebound quite nicely. Temperatures getting all the way up into the low 80s with 81 on our campus. Mostly sunny with a north wind at 5 miles per hour. And tomorrow we're going to top out in the 80s for most of our communities, 81 in Daphne, 82 in Lucedale, and 85 in Jackson. And for our 3-day forecast, we'll see those clouds gradually move back into the area by the time we hit Friday. But this weekend, we'll see that rain move in and possible severe weather. But by the time we hit our next work week, temperatures warm up into the mid-70s with plenty of sunshine. Thank you for tuning in today. Please like or follow us on Facebook.